Hey designers, I'm Olubest. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Olubest Creative Studio. And today I'm going to show you guys two super easy way to create perspective text and images in Canva. So that your design will stand out. I hope you're ready. So let's get it. So I think I'll just let me design this background first before we proceed. Okay, let me give this red color, or let me choose red. Let me add some effects. Let's add some background effects. Okay. Background effects. Okay, make use of this. So just stay with me, guys. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay. I need to make unfortunately the effect is not up to the page, so I'll just duplicate it, then flip it around to make it full of the background. So I think this is fine. So now, first way, make perspective text. Let me add my name. So the first way for the perspective text is come down here, is effect, and you click on effect, and you click on typecraft. Yes. Okay, there is the typecraft effect. Then you choose you can use whatever effect you want to use, but this match the perspective that I'm trying to show you guys. You can see you can use anyone, but I prefer this, or this one, any one of it. So let me just you add your text here, paste. Now let me give it white color. White. Yes, I like white. Nice. Can you see that? You can delete this one. This is first way you can create perspective text in Canva. So you can as well add any design you want to add. Maybe you want to make it fade or something like that. You can do whatever. So this is the first way. And the second way, that can be text and it can be image. So for you to understand, let me duplicate this page, then let me delete background, add text. Just stay with me, guys. So you head down to apps, then you search image transform it. Image transform it. There it is. And use the second one as well. So you choose file, then add the text. So now you change the perspective. You can delete this one, don't need it anymore. So you change the perspective of the text and zoom it out. As you can see, I want it to look this way. It can be any image. You want to change the perspective, do you understand? So just add it to design, and there it is. Zoom out, you see. So this is how you do it. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop your comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.